Good morning, Writing 394. This is Professor Anderson with a quick comment about some of your discussions. They are awesome. I love how this class has knitted together and you're helping one another, offering suggestions, really delving into the resources that you're using, the formats, the understandings that you're coming to with respect to formulas used for papers and so forth. It is really it's such a joy to watch. So I want to go over this real quickly with you. Your week 5 discussion about the format of the paper. There's one thing, I think it's actually Debbie, and I'm pulling up your resources right here. And let me see right here. It's I think she offers this great suggestion on how to format an APA style. So as I'm taking 50, I should have had it pulled up. Anyway, let me share with you a quick, there we go, CiteFast. It's Professor David does show it in the video from the last week. It would have been in week 4. These are your week 5 discussions. But I want to show you this other excellent resource. So you have done a lot in the UMUC library and done a lot of your research, I'm hoping, in the UMUC library, and found numerous types of databases to search and research guides. So I'm just going to type in, let's say, single gender learning environments. That's what my research has been on. That's what my dissertation was focused on. So this is kind of a topic familiar to me. So if I just click on that, and it's taking forever, and I come up with several different, examples. I'm not going to narrow this anymore because I want to show you these certain types of options inside of UMUC. So if I just click on this is from actually MOOC, I probably shouldn't use that. And I go over here to these tools. I can set up and select a folder for this. I can save it. I can cite it. I could do all types of things on the toolbar right inside of my UMUC OneSearch library. So let me just share that with you one more time. You need to first get to your resource. So if I go here, this is a journal article. I'm going to research it. Then my toolbar comes up and I can do all kinds of things with it. I can print this. I can create the full, the PDF of full text of it. I can save it. I can cite it. And when I cite it, it allows me to select how I would like for it to be cited. I can show the APA format. I can show the Chicago. I can show the AMA. It all, it lists all the different kinds. So if I'm here, I click cut and paste. I can save it. I can email it to myself. There's lots of different things that I can use. I want to show you that because that is a key tool inside of the UMUC library, and it will be so beneficial for you. What I recommend doing is opening up your Google Drive and creating a folder in your Google Drive for Writing 394, and then inside of that folder, create a Writing Assignment number 4 folder. Inside of that folder, create a reference list. So that way you can keep all of that flowing straight into there, and you'll just compile add one resource onto another. And you don't have to worry about where did I find that? What did I use? You're just adding it to the list as you go. So one more time, this is inside of, so if I go up here, I go to resources, I go to library. Inside of the library, I type in my search, and then I can use my research guides. I can go even further, make it more specific. Once I get to my articles, and again, here we go. Once I get to my articles, I select my article. I select, whatever it is, my text, my journal article, and that's where this toolbar comes up. Once you're in the site, once you're in the research source, so then you can go from there. So I hope that was helpful and allows you to become a little more organized with gathering your resources. And again, I just love reading through these comments. Well, I want to share with you that often you're not going to see me answering every single one of them, because I love when you guys answer each other, because you are spot on. So kudos. I'm looking forward to seeing the rough draft of your final research paper this coming Sunday.